Om Shanti. 20 April 2020. In today's Babdada Sakar Murli, Baba says that there is nothing like hell and heaven in Paramdham or Brahm to be more precise, because everything like hell and heaven you experience after taking this body in this world cycle. Baba also said that everything is going to be true in Satyug. Why? Because we will be in absolute soul consciousness. So no matter what we eat, what we wear, we have this understanding that we're making this body eat and wear all of that. And that too without giving any sort of effort. Because in this confluence age, after attaining that stage through academics and the studies that Baba is giving us, we'll be able to acquire all that thing in our impressions. In Hindi we call it sanskar. Also, Baba said that entire human being population has this understanding that we should remember God, and they do remember Him. So, if the entire population is loving someone, then definitely He has done something elevated and great, which cannot be replaced. However, people are not aware who exactly God is, but that doesn't mean that they don't have emotions or feelings for God. Everyone deserves His cooperation or His introduction at least, but going to heaven, creating heaven, playing our respective roles in drama, that is eternal and that is fixed. Like Shiv Baba cannot make Jesus Christ go to heaven, then who will establish Christianism in Dwapar Yuga, that is in Copper Age? So everything is absolutely systematic in this world drama. Also, Baba said that it's very important for you to become sweet, and also keep an eye that insects or any sort of insecticide, any sort of insect should not infect your sweet trees. So you should keep the insecticide of Man Manabhav, that is be in remembrance of the one Father. And only those who pay full attention to all subjects are going to pass with honor, because passing is one thing and passing with honor is another thing. Baba also said that you should always keep the 84 birth cycle in your mind. And so on this note, let's listen to the Murli in detail, where our beloved Babdada says, "Sweet children, this new tree of yours is very sweet, and insects only come to this sweet tree. The insecticide to finish all insects is Man Manabhav." Question: what are the signs of the students who pass with honor? Here Baba says they pay full attention, not just to one subject, but to all the subjects. The subject of physical service too is very good. Many receive happiness through that, and marks are also accumulated. However, together with that, there has to be knowledge and good behavior. Pay full attention to imbibing divine virtues. When you have full knowledge in you, you will be able to pass with honors. Because it's not all about delivering this knowledge to others, but it's all about inculcating it. Well, today we have the song that says, "Neither will he be separated from us, nor will there be sorrow in our hearts." In Hindi, there is the saying that "Na wo humse juda honge," and the song is, so Baba says, Om Shanti. What did you children just hear? To whom are the hearts of you children attached? To the guide. What does the guide show you? He shows you the gates to heaven. You children have heard the name Gateway to Heaven. When do the gates to heaven open? It is now hell. And who opens the gate to heaven, and when? Only you children know this. You constantly remain in happiness because you know the way to go to heaven. At the fairs and exhibitions, you can show how people can go through the gates of heaven. And you have created many pictures. Well, Baba asked, out of all these pictures, which picture should we use to explain to people that these are the gates to go to heaven or not? Well, the picture of the world cycle indicates the gates to heaven. This is right. At the top on one side there are 3 gates. There are the gates to heaven, and on the other side there are the gates to heaven. Well, Baba says we have 2 gates. First of all, it's important to explain about the gates to hell, and second about the gates to heaven. It is absolutely clear. All souls run from here back to the land of silence, and then you go to heaven. This is the gate. The whole cycle won't be called the gate, and at the top where the confluence age is shown, there are the gates through which you souls exit and then enter the new world. Everyone else resides in the land of silence, and the hands of the clock show that this is hell and that is heaven. The picture is first class and the best of all to use to explain this. Well, the gateway to heaven is absolutely clear. These are matters to be understood by the intellect, and all the many religions are to be destroyed and one religion established. You know that you will go to the land of happiness and that everyone else will remain in the land of silence. The gates are shown very clearly, and the cycle is the main picture. The gates to heaven and hell are absolutely clear in this way. Only those who went through the gates to heaven a cycle ago will do the same. Everyone else will go through the gates of silence, and the gates of hell close and the gates to peace and happiness open. This is a first class picture, and Baba always says that the pictures of the Trimurti, the two globes and the cycle are first class pictures. First of all, explain this picture to anyone who comes, and this is the picture that shows the gates to heaven, that is heaven, and this is hell. Hell is now to be destroyed and the gate to liberation is opening, and we shall now go to heaven and all the others will go to the land of silence. It is so easy. Not everyone will go through the gates of heaven. It was the kingdom of only the deities there, and it is in your intellects that you have now become worthy of going through the gate of heaven. So we should question ourselves, am I worthy enough to go through the gate of heaven? Well, to the extent that you study, so you will become a master. If you cry or beg for anything, you will be spoiled. And the picture of the study and the picture of this cycle is accurate. It can be understood by the intellect. And once the picture has been seen, the intellect begins to work on it. So you children should have thoughts throughout the day about which picture should be main ones we can use to explain everything. And that is gateway to heaven. These English words are very good, and there are now many languages. The word Hindi has emerged from the word Hindustan, and the word Hindustan is not right. In fact, its real name is Bharat, and they speak of the land of Bharat. The names of streets, etc., they have changed, and the name of a country does not change. There is the word Mahabharat, right? Bharat is remembered in everything, and people sing that Bharat is their country. By saying that their religion is Hinduism, they have called the language Hindi, and this is unrighteous. In the golden age, there was nothing but the truth. True things to wear, true food, true speech, whereas here, everything has become false because we are body conscious. We wear something and we think we are looking good, isn't it? Well, Baba says, so these words, gateway to heaven, are very good. Come and I'll show you to the gate to heaven. And there are so many languages. The Father gives you children elevated directions for salvation. It is said of the Father's directions, His ways and means for salvation are unique. He gives you children such easy directions. You have to follow God's Srimad, and you would become a doctor by following the directions of a doctor. By following the directions of God, you will become gods and goddesses, and these are the versions of God. This is why Baba has said that first of all, prove to them who God is. The masters of heaven are definitely gods and goddesses. There is nothing in the Brahm element. Heaven and hell exist here only. Heaven and hell are completely separate from one another. People's intellects have become absolutely tamupradhan, that they do not understand anything. They have given the golden age a duration of hundreds of thousands of years, and they say of the iron age that 40,000 years still remain. Well, they are in total darkness. You children now know that the Father is making you virtuous in order to make you and take you to heaven. The main concern you should have is how to become Satopradhan. The main concern you should have is how to become Satopradhan. The Father has told you to remember Him alone, whilst walking and doing everything. Let there only be the remembrance in your intellects. All lovers and beloveds, they carry out their actions. Even in devotion, while they perform action, there is still the remembrance of that one in their intellects. They turn the beads of rosary in order to remember Him. And the Father has repeatedly say, constantly remember me, your Father. And since they call Him omnipresent, so whom would they remember? Well, the Father explains they have become atheist. They do not even know the Father. They say, oh God, the Father, but they do not know who exactly He is. Well, a soul says, oh God, the Father, but what is a soul? Each soul is separate, and that one is called the Supreme Soul. That is, He is supreme, the highest on high, Supreme Soul. There is not a single human being who has knowledge of souls. I am a soul and this is my body. And so there are two things. This body is made up of 5 elements. A soul is an imperishable point of light. What would it be made of? It is such a tiny point of light. Sages and holy men, etc., they even don't know this. This one adopted many gurus. Brahma Baba adopted many gurus, but none of them told him what the soul is or what the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul is. It isn't only that they don't know the Supreme Soul, but they don't even know about souls. And if they were to know about souls, they would instantly know the Supreme Soul. How would it be possible for a child to continue by just knowing himself and not his father? So you now know what souls are and where they reside. Even doctors understand that they are so subtle that they cannot be seen with their physical eyes. Therefore, how would it be possible for them to see one if they locked it in a glass case? Well, no one in the world has the knowledge that you have. You know that a soul is a point and that the Supreme Soul is also a point. We souls change from impure, and then we are changing ourselves from pure to impure, and finally from impure to pure. Well, impure souls cannot reside there. Everyone that becomes from there is pure, and then they become impure. The Father then comes and makes them pure. So these are the easiest things of all. You know that your souls have been around the cycle of 84 births and have now become absolutely Tamopradhan, and only we take 84 births. It isn't a question of only one. The Father says, I explained this to one, but you also listen. I have entered this one, I speak through this one, and you hear it. Well, this one is the Kyriot. So Baba has explained you should write down the names, gateway to heaven. However, in that too you have to explain that the deity religion that used to exist in the Golden Age has now disappeared, and no one knows this. Christians were also Satopradhan at first. Then by taking rebirth, they have become Tamopradhan. The tree definitely becomes old. This is the tree of variety of religions, and according to the calculation of the tree, all the other religions come afterwards, and this drama is predestined. It isn't that people will get a turn just like that to go to the Golden Age. No. This play has been created eternally. In the Golden Age, there was only the one ancient, original, eternal deity religion, and it is now the intellects of you children that you are going to heaven. The soul says, how can we return home if we are Tamopradhan? How would we go to heaven? For that the Father has given you the method for becoming Satopradhan. He says, I am the purifier. Consider yourselves to be souls and remember the Father. Full stop. Well, it is written, God speaks. Everyone says that Bharat was heaven this many years before Christ. But no one knows how it became that or where it went afterwards, and you now know this very clearly. Previously, you did not know any of these things. No one in the world knows that it is souls that become good and bad. All souls are basically children of the one Father, and they remember the Father. The Father is the beloved of all, and all are his lovers. You children now know that the beloved has come, and he is a very sweet beloved. Otherwise, why would everyone remember him? Well, there is not a human being from whose mouth the words the Supreme Soul do not emerge. It is just that they do not know him, and you know that souls are bodiless. Souls are also worshipped. We who were the worthy of worship then started worshipping our own souls, and it is possible that you might have taken a previous birth in the Brahmin clan and bhog is offered to Srinath, but it is the worshippers who eat it. All of that is the path of devotion, and you children have to explain that only the Father opens the gates to heaven, right? But how does he open them, and how can we explain this to others? Well, God speaks, and so he must surely speak through a body. It is the soul that speaks and listens through the body. Baba tells about the detail, and there is the seed and the tree. Well, you children know that this is a new tree. Gradually there will be growth. Many insects attack this tree of yours because a new tree is very sweet. Insects only attack sweet trees. Therefore, insecticide is sprayed on them, and the Father has given you the very good insecticide of Manmanabhav, because you do not stabilize in the consciousness of Manmanabhav. Insects eat you. How useful would something be that has insects on it? It is thrown away, and there is a great difference between a high and a low status. Well, Baba continues to explain to you children that become very sweet. Do not become like salt and water with anyone. Become like milk and sugar. And there even the lion and lamb, they live like milk and sugar. Therefore, you children too should become like milk and sugar. However, if it isn't in someone's fortune, what efforts would he make? Then he fails, and a teacher teaches you to make your fortune elevated. A teacher teaches everyone, and you can even see the difference. Students in a class can tell which one is clever in which particular subject. There is the subject of physical service too, and there is the Bhandari, basically Bhandari, the Bholi Dadi who looks after the kitchen. And because so many receive happiness, they remember her a great deal. This is good. You receive marks in this particular subject too. However, in order to pass with honors, you must not simply pay attention to one subject. You have to pay attention to all the subjects. Whenever someone comes to the Bhandari, she would say, "Become Manmanabhav, remember Shiv Baba, and your sins will be absolved, and you will become the masters of heaven." Whilst remembering the Father, continue to give the introduction to others, and knowledge and yoga are needed. It is very easy. This is the main thing. Become sticks for the blind, Baba said. Well, take people to the exhibitions and tell them that, "Come, I'll show you to the gateways to heaven. This is hell and that is heaven." The Father says, "Remember me and become pure, and you will become the masters of the pure world." Well, Baba said, "Who is the God of Gita? Who opens the gates to heaven?" Shiv Baba opens them. Krishna go across through that, and so they have inserted Krishna's name. There are two main pictures. All the rest is just detail, and you children have to become very sweet. Speak with a lot of love and give happiness to others through your thoughts, words and deeds. Just look at the Bhandari. She keeps everyone happy, and so they bring her gifts to her. This too is a subject, and they come and give gifts. Then what does she exactly say? She says, "Why should I take it from you? Because I would remember you then. If I receive from Shiv Baba's treasure store, that is Bhandari, I would remember Shiv Baba." Acha. To the sweetest, beloved, long-lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the Mother, Father, Bap Dada. The spiritual father says namaste to the spiritual children, and we spiritual children say namaste to the spiritual father. Essence is, in order to make your fortune elevated for yourselves, live with one another like milk and sugar. Become very sweet. Never become like salt and water. Pay full attention to all the subjects, and in order to attain salvation, follow the elevated directions you have received from the Father, and tell these elevated directions to others and show them the path to go to heaven. Baba is blessing us by saying that may you easily experience doing service through your mind with the stock of power of pure thoughts. Pure thoughts, positive thinking, they are the most powerful weapons that we souls can have. So Baba says you can experience easily doing service through your mind with a stock of power and powerful and pure thoughts. Well, become introspective and accumulate a stock of power of pure thoughts. This power of pure thoughts will easily finish your waste thoughts and also be able to transform others with your good wishes and pure feelings. And in order to accumulate a stock of pure thoughts, as well as listening to every point of the Murli, also use them at every moment in the form of power. However much stock of power of pure thoughts you accumulate, you will accordingly easily continue to become experienced in serving through the mind. And slogan is, bid farewell for all time to your mind's jealousy and conflict, and you will achieve victory. And we can achieve bidding farewell to mind's jealousy and conflict by understanding that we all souls have our respective roles in this world drama. Om Shanti.